I chose Namso University because of the itself, the study. There are similar curriculums naman in different countries here in the Philippines. But with Namsol itself, medyo yung curriculum niya, yun yung parang mas nag-fit sa mga hinahanap ko when it comes to the study cells, the study proper itself. I mean, there is a school here na medyo same talaga yung pattern, but yun, I chose Namsol, I chose South Korea because mainly for an experience. I mean, for my age, I would rather go outside and experience and immerse myself into a different culture, different country, and then study at the same time. Kaya I chose Namsol. Processing experience, grueling siya kasi medyo mahaba. I started, I guess, last year, parang around August or earlier than August. Medyo grueling yung process because you have to do the apostilles, tapos mag-follow up ka ng documents mo sa school. So, I'm from Zamboanga, so hindi siya as fast-paced as the one dito sa Metro Manila. So yun, mahaba-haba yung process talaga when it comes to the documentation. Pero with the mabilis naman mag-respond mabilis naman mag-respond si agency. So I didn't have any problems with that. Sa lang talaga, sa pag-acquire ng documentations. Oo naman. Sino ba naman hindi? Diba? Everybody aspires to have their visa, especially pag sa galing ka sa if you want to go to a different country or ganyan, if you want to stay in a different country. So, syempre, as Filipinos, medyo limited tayo sa ganun. So, if we're given an opportunity to have our visa granted, syempre, kahit ikaw naman siguro. I chose ADC. Honestly, nakita ko siya nung it was during pandemic, 2020. I think ADC was already sending people out abroad. Ganun. So, siguro, parang, ano bang right word? Hindi naman siya suntok sa buwan. Pero, the power of now, parang ganyan. So, that time, umalis ako sa work. Tapos, ang hirap mag-start ng work. Tapos, at the spur of the moment, nag-decide ako na mag-study ulit. And then, ADC just flashed on my Facebook screen. So yun, that's one of the things na parang naniwala ako na, okay, let's just go with ADC. Let's give this a try. Wala namang masama. So, the new journey itself, well, syempre, everything that we do naman is more of like, gaining new experiences. Tapos, learning more things. Tapos, experiencing, not just experiencing culture. Yun, parang, I think that's just it, basically. Pero, there are still a lot more things naman na pwede natin with the new journey itself. Of course, it's more of like, knowing more. Yun. If you're interested with trying to go to a different, there are a lot of agencies naman, pero somehow, may iba kasi parang tailor-fit para sa'yo. So, there's nothing wrong if you would try to inquire. Pero, sige, inquire lang kasi you would know the difference talaga. I've been to different agencies na din before, so I chose Anacon. Yun, kasi it just fit na parang yung mga bagay na hinahanap ko for me.